You know, something feels magical to me inside this room. I can instantly say na yung reading ninyo gives me positive energies. Okay? I just heard alignment. You could be in alignment right in here into something that you truly want. Wow. Let us see what is that all about. Just take only what resonates, guys, okay? But this is something here very, very moving, actually. Very moving. Let us see your messages. Transformation, the moon. Whoa, major arcanas right in here. The star. Okay, I'm seeing in my head 500, could be 500. Okay, there's this big spiritual number of change because 5 is the spiritual number of change, and double zeros means starting from the beginning. Whoa, there's something here about 500. Maybe this is something here na parang importante. Let me continue, but wow, you have three major arcanas lining up right in here, sweethearts. We've got the transformation, the moon, and the star. There's something about 500. Yan, maaaring nakikita nyo yan somewhere or could be seeing a lot of number fives or you will start to see a lot of number fives. Yeah, another major arcana. We've got the renewal. This is the judgment energy. Wow. So, wow. I'm already having goosebumps, sweetheart. Okay? Yeah, nakikita ko ngayon. Okay? Ang 500. Okay? It could be yan ang iyon, no, na password, PIN code, sa phone mo or sa yung importanteng mga accounts. Wow, there's something here about that wish. Okay, got it. Nakakuha ko dito ng parang nakakahilo pero paatras, yung pilas ng kalendaryo. Wow, Hermit, wow. Six of Fire, bottom of the deck, Ace of Earth energy, and another major arcana. So what's happening? Balance, yeah. I got it, sweetheart. Okay, this is about your past life right in here. That calendar na mabilis, nakakahilo, pero ang pilas pabalik. Okay, it talks about year. Ubek nyon, no? 500 years. Meron ditong nilifted dito, no? Na harang dito, mga babes, no? And it looks like ngayong 2026, ang ika 500 okey na. Kumbaga, parang ito na yung pagbubukas 'no, ng iya ritong pagbabago when it comes to your love life 'no. At kinakausap ko rito ikaw, sweetheart 'no, lalo na kung palagi ka na lang nagfe-failed sa iyong mga love relationships, palagi ka na lang iniiwan, palagi na lang hindi ikaw ang pinipili 'no, because in your past life, 500 years, ubek nyon, 500 years ago. Okay, you do not need to know that, no? Pero this is your truth, honey. You are not a human being sa iyong past life. Hindi ka tao, honey. Hindi ka tao nung past life mo. Okay? You are someone who is different. Okay? You could be a deity, you could be an angel, you could be a goddess, you could be someone here who is not a human. Okay? At okay, I do pick up, no, na yung love life mo, pwedeng hindi ka pwedeng magmahal dati, no, and because you were reborn now in this lifetime, I do see, mga mahal, no, that this is you. It's now your time to fall in love, with whoever yung gusto mong mahalin. Kung sino yung mahal mo, pwede ka nang maging malayang mahalin yung tao na yun. Dahil ngayong 2026, lifted na yung harang, bukas na yung lagusan, open na yung door or portal, no? Dahil ngayon, isa ka na talagang ganap na human being. You are now a human form. You are now free to love kung sino, whoever ang gusto mong mahalin. Babe, wow! So kung ikaw ito, no, na palaging nagfe-feel kasi pala hindi pa bukas yung pintuan right in here, no, because parang ito, no, mga babes, ay bagay na restricted, pinagbabawal, hindi ka pwedeng magmahal dati, 500 years ago, at parang binigyan ka rito, no, kung kaya mong maghintay ng after 500 years, pwede ka nang magmahal at malaya ka ng puwedeng magmahal ng kahit na sinong gusto mong mahalin. So now, maybe this is you 'no, nitong mga nakaraang taon 'no, or nitong last year lang or kailan lang 'no, palagi na lang nagfe-fail yung inuumpisahan mong relationship. It looks like naisip mo na rin that love isn't for you, okay? Pero hindi pala yun because the truth with the Ace of Air energy is that you are not a human way back then. And the good news is ngayong 2026, yes, di ba kakapasok lang natin sa 2026 na ika-second day na ngayon ng 2026. Sweetheart, not ngayong 2026, your love life will change. Okay? Nakikita ko dito na mamahalin ka ng taong mahal mo at nakikita rin natin dito na pwede ka na magmahal. Okay, sorry about that commercial mga babes. I need to attend lang some kind of call, but this is very amazing. This is something here na, wow, kaya pala right away, this gives me goosebumps, no? Bago natin talaga sinimulan nito, nararamdaman ko na yun. And then, the major arcanas na nakalatag pa lang dito, no? Yung paunang tatlo pa lang, no? Wow! This already gives me that kind of positive goosebumps. Pero bago natin ipagpatuloy ito, hi and hello muna sa ating mga bagong viewers. My name is Yan, returning Eastern Buyers. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang love and support. Kung hindi niyo pa alam, mayroon pa po tayong other channel. Link down below sa ating description box. If interested, i-click lamang yung link dyan para mapunta kayo dun. In araw-araw ay nag-upload po tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. And yes, wala rin po tayo dito na time period, kaya naman just take only what resonates, no? Timeless tayo dito, pwede nangyari na po, sa iba nangyayari na, sa iba mangyayari pa lang, no? So, ito na yung sagot, ito na yung susi na matagal nyo na rito mga babes no, na hinahanap para ma-unlock yung door ng maraming tanong ninyo na bakit parang pangit ba ako, kapalit-palit ba ako, then why? 'Di ba? Lagi niyo yung binabanggit sa sarili ninyo na and bakit palagi na lang akong iniiwan, palagi na lang akong hindi pinipili, eto na yon babe, 'no? Because you are not a human being way back then. And if matagal ka na dito sa channel ko, 'no, meron na tayong parang ganitong reading, maaaring ito na yung continuation ng lahat, 'no? Ngayon naiintindihan at mas maiintindihan na ninyo, 'no, na ngayong 2026 tapos na yung parang mala-curse or malasumpa na yun na parang harang na nilagay rito, 'no? Eto na yung ikatapos ng ubek niyon, 'no, or ng 500 years, 'no, ng hindi puwedeng ma-in-love, ng hindi puwedeng magmahal. That's why your relationship keeps on failing, 'no? And ang ganda because ngayong 2026, puwede ka ng magmahal ng kahit na sinong gusto mong mahalin at nararapat para sa'yo. Yung iba ngayon niyo na matatagpuan yung pakakasalan niya, 2026, 'di ba? Eto na yun, yung pakakasalan ninyo yung may forever, hindi lang yung kasal yung hihinto, 'no, sa inyo ditong samahan kundi talagang habang buhay mong makakasama yan, makakatabi mo all your life, 'no? So, I do see the 2026 is, wow, the very emotional, yet that powerful year, genuine love, real love enters your life. Yung gano'ng initials, pero banggitin na natin 'no, kasi siyempre na bago ko pa makalimutan, alam niyo naman 'pag lumabas yun na yun. Capital letter S, capital letter R, capital letter U, capital letter M, capital letter L, capital letter C, capital letter T, capital letter O, and for the rest of the letters, we've got D, E. I don't know if that's 9 or 2, just take only what resonates 'no, medyo putol kasi, sige just take only what resonates, okay? And for the other letters, we have P, and last but not the least, we got the letter Y. Definitely lahat ng Ys ninyo sa pag-ibig ngayon ay may sagot na. Answered prayers na ito and answered na rin ang lahat ng questions ninyo sa love 'no, ngayong 2026 magiging makulay ang love life mo, sweetheart. Wow! At kung sino-sino man 'to 'no, nakausap ko rito, we have the renewal and the Four of Air energy. Hindi mo naman kailangang alalahanin 'no, hindi ko maalala miss yan, na ganyan ba ako 500 years ago. Hello! Hindi mo na kailangang alamin yun, basta nalaman mo dito sa channel na ito, Gora na 'te, 'di ba? So, lahat tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT. So, ibig sabihin lang nito 'no, this is you 'no, tinatawag ka rito 'no, you are now awakened, okay? You are now someone here na alam mo yun, this is the anunsyo, okay, of the universe that your life is now beginning 'no, sa pag-ibig. I do see that this is something here 'no, na talagang matagal mong, hindi ito na-realize 'no, because you are someone who is not a human being, you know? So, I do see iba sa inyo meron kayong parang tinatawag niyong weird dreams na parang ewan ko miss yan, parang hindi ako tao dun sa dream ko or whatsoever 'no. So, yung iba may ganong klase ng mga signs and clues 'no, but yeah, isa yun sa mga, matibay na hints na ang reading na 'to ay for you. At kung ikaw 'no, na tumataas at tumitindig ang balahibo mo ngayon pero wala ka namang mga panaginip na ganyan kagaya ng binanggit ko 'no, high chance na ang reading na 'to ay kumo-connect rin sa'yo because tarot or energy readings are all about energies, of course, are all about spiritual connections 'no, yun 'no. Nakita ko rito na yung wish mo with the 9 of water energy, page of earth right in here, okay, 7 of earth right in here. Ito na ang magandang balita, tanggapin mo honey sa pamamagitan nitong channel na ito 'no. Kinakausap kayo ni universe dito na ang wish mo ay natupad na, ayan, oh. Siguro nung bata kayo yung klase ng energy 'no, na alam niyo yung ganyan 'no, yung dandelion tapos magwi-wish kayo, pipikit kayo, and then after niyo sabihin yung wish ninyo 'no, kayo yung hinihipan niyo yun, 'di ba ang ganda? So, maaaring yun ay isa rin sa mga clues, but I do see that as the center of the reading. The good news ay pumasok 'no. Tandaan ninyo ikalawang araw pa lang ng bagong taon 2026, yung hinihintay mo, ubik niyon 'no, yung 500 years 'di ba? Ito na babe, okay? And with this Knight of Earth energy, Ace of Air, ito yung bagay na hindi mo nare-realize, okay? Not because natulog ka ng 500 years, but because, okay, ang mga individuals ay nai-erase ang kanilang memories, no? Especially kapag sila ay nare-reborn. So dito mga babes, yung rebirth ninyo, yung reborn ninyo rito, no? Hindi mo naman kailangan talagang malaman yun. Pero if you feel that you're having goosebumps and you feel the connection, the strong intensity, the high frequency, the high vibrational, no, na spiritual connection mo dito, true energy sa reading na ito, then this is your past life sweetheart, no? Ngayon, yung papasok sa buhay mo sa 2026, mga babes, no? Or kung meron ka ng kakonect nitong nakaraan, no? Pero kasama mo pa rin and you're still in love now sa 2026 na yan na. Yan ang mga babes, no? Ayan ang simula ng pag-ibig 'no, at yan na talaga yung may success na pag-ibig, Six of Fire energy, pero na-mention ko yung Six of Air 'no, so definitely you're moving towards that calm water 'no. I do see that with the Ace of Earth, ito na yung bagong simula, this is the beginning 'no, and the balance, okay? Universe is now freeing you, okay, sa pagkakagapos 'no, sa mga failed love, connections, and relationships. Now you will receive more than commitment. Now you will receive that kind of forever. Now you will receive that infinity and beyond. Now you will receive that unconditional love you've been wanting to feel all your life. Wow! I don't know kung sino-sino yung mga kausap ko dito, but there's bunch of you guys. There's lots of you guys that this reading are yours for the taking. The moon is right here. No? As you can see, the moon is right here. Okay? Telling me na nagpadala na rito ng anghel, no, upang iparating sa inyo ang mensahe, no, na ikaw ngayon ay malaya na upang magmahal at mahalin rin. Ang biggest transformation sa love life mo ay ngayon na 2026, and look at that, may angel na naman doon. See, ikaw yun, no, inaakay ka rito papunta, no, doon sa maliwanag, no, na parte ng iyong love life dito, no, the time finally came. Look at that hourglass, okay, and look at that butterfly is the biggest sign of change. Your love life will now change. 2026, kaya na pang hinihintay mo, claim, 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 claim mo na to agad, sweetheart. Thank you so much again. I'm Yuriana, and Sarang Yellow Light. 안녕.